NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 2. If sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of cot A is option A, root 3, option B, 1 by root 3, option C, root 3 by 2, and option D, 1. Now let us find the answer. We are given that sin A is equal to 1 by 2. And the formula for sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. We need to find cot A. We know that cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Let us draw the right angle triangle with acute angle at A and right angle at B. The side adjacent to angle A is the adjacent side, and the side opposite to the angle A is the opposite side. Side AC is the hypotenuse. From the given data, sin A is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 1 unit. Hypotenuse is 2 units. Now let us use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of adjacent side. Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is AB, and opposite is BC. AC is 2 units, 2 square is equal to AB is unknown, AB square, plus BC is 1 unit, 1 square. AB square is equal to 2 square is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. That implies AB is equal to root 3 units, which means adjacent side is root 3 units. Now let us find cot A. Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. What is the adjacent side? AB is root 3 units divided by opposite side 1, that is equal to root 3 units. Therefore, cot A is equal to root 3 units. From the given options, option A is the right answer. Therefore, answer to the question, if sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of cot A is option A, root 3.